Good evening to one and all present here, our honored management team of Odyssey Dances Forum, Kolkata, esteemed chief guests, all dance lovers and critics. Welcome to Shraddhanjali 2020. On behalf of Odyssey Dances Forum, Kolkata, I heartily welcome all of you on this auspicious evening. Like every year, this year too, Odyssey Dances Forum has arranged a cultural program to pay tribute to the legends of Odissi dance, Guru Sri Kelucharan Mahapatra and Srimati Sanjukta Panigrahi. However, due to the current pandemic situation this year, Shraddhanjali is being offered digitally. It is an immense pleasure to have amongst us the renowned Odissi dancers from across the city of Kolkata and even across the state. Although we have always strictly adhered to Odissi dance form in this program, but this time we have welcomed participants from different classical dance backgrounds to come and connect with us in this critical situation. We express our heartfelt gratitude to the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and Central Sangeet Natak Academy for offering their support in organizing this event. As part of encouraging and propagating Odissi dance, every year the forum holds the Parampara Festival, in which fresh young talents are felicitated and the best performer is awarded. This year also, forum has selected the recipient of this Parampara Award. The journey of Shraddhanjali to carry forward the legacy of Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra Gharana would not have been possible without the love, support, guidance, and encouragement of the managing committee members. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the President of Odissi Dances Forum, Shri Sudeep Shrimal, Secretary Srimati Arundhati Roy, and Assistant Secretary Shri Rajiv Bhattacharya for their untiring effort. Taking our evening further and to begin with Shraddhanjali 2020, I want to announce the name of the Parampara awardee this year. To present this award, I would like to request our honorary guests, Dr. Mahua Mukherjee and Shri Oshim Bondhu Bhattacharya and Kalamandalam Venkat to do this honor. This year, the Parampara Award goes to Anushmita Bhattacharya, a disciple of Shri Arnob Bandyopadhyay. So I request Shri Arnob Bandyopadhyay to come on stage, and I like to call Anushmita on stage for the felicitation ceremony. This is a proud moment for all of us. I would like to request Shri Ashim Bandhu Bhattacharya sir to say a few words for all of us.
Namaskar. This is indeed a great pleasure for me to be a part of this beautiful Shraddhanjali festival organized by Odissi Dance Forum every year. But this year is a little different, but show must go on. So that's why they are organizing so beautifully, and all we are present here. And thank you so much, Anushmita. Congratulations for the award, and also her guru, Shri Arnob Bandyopadhyay. His very popular name in Kolkata not only in the Odissi field, but as a human being. Yes. And Rajiv and all we are working all together. I'm a Kathak dancer, but I love them and they love me. Thank you so much. And this show will be again and again every year. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your words. I would like to call Kalamandalam Venkit, sir, to say a few words for us.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm very grateful to Rajiv, especially I'll tell you, because he invited me to one of the part of this festival. I'm grateful. Our gratitude to all the gurus, Kaluchara Mahapatra and Sanjuktadi. We are very respectful. They are very respectful for us. They all the way show us how to go as an artist. But we are very grateful. He is arranging such a good festival. Even one of our students, she got the award also. I am very, very, very happy with this. So Arnab, he is the main teacher of her. So very thankful to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your precious words. I would like to call Dr. Mahua ma'am to tell us a few things.
Thank you so much. It's an immense pleasure for me that I could be able to be part of this great festival. Gurung Bande, Muning Bande, Bande Gauri Gurung Muhu, Nande Yang Nartanat Sarvai, Yatha Sarva Prasadata. So, for this occasion, Guru Shishya Parampara, this Shraddhanjali, we are all from different disciplines, but our legendary Guru on our head and her shower of blessings. It's inspired us always. And very good opportunity to show my love, this small Guru now, this great Guru, the small Guru, Arnab. And I know that he is very proud of his student, Onishmita. So this is Parampara, and we are carrying this legacy. I am very, very optimistic that though this is a very tedious situation, but we know we will overcome this and we'll always hold our hand together. This Bagane Shondarjo Bade Nana Phul Diya. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we want to move to the inauguration ceremony of the program. So I would like to request our chief guest and guest of honors and president, secretary and assistant secretary to come forward for the inauguration of the program. Thank you.
शुभं करति कल्याणम् आरोग्य ध्यान संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमस्तुते दीपज्योति परं ब्रह्मा दीपज्योति जनार्दने दीपहरतु मे पापं दीपज्योति नमस्तुते ॐ विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम